Following her big win at the Golden Globes, 36-year-old Irish actress Jessie Buckley finds herself in pole position for the Best Actress award at this year's Oscars. Buckley won the Golden Globe for Best Actress in a Motion Picture Drama for her role as William Shakespeare's wife Agnes in Hamnet. Her performance in Hamnet also bagged her a win at the Critics' Choice Awards and a nomination for the Actor Awards, formerly known as the SAG Awards. A native of Killarney in County Kerry, Buckley is a former member of the local Fiona Crowley Stage School and the Killarney Musical Society. She studied at the Ursuline Secondary School in Thurles, County Tipperary, where she performed in school productions. Also a talented musician, Buckley played the piano, clarinet and harp in the Royal Irish Academy of Music. Her first break came in 2008 when, as a 17-year-old, she finished runner-up in the BBC talent show series I'd Do Anything, a series focused on the search for an unknown talent to play the role of Nancy in a West End production of Oliver. She then went on to study at London's Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts, graduating with a BA in acting in 2013. That same year, she performed in a number of Shakespearean productions, including the role of Miranda in The Tempest and in a West End production of Henry V. Following a few roles in television, Buckley's feature-length film debut came in 2017 in the psychological thriller Beast. Her role opposite Olivia Colman in the 2021 drama The Lost Daughter brought Buckley her first Oscar nomination for Best Supporting Actress. However, she lost out to American actor Ariana DeBose. Away from screen and stage, Buckley now resides in Norfolk in England with her husband Freddie, a mental health worker. The couple welcomed their first child, a baby girl, in December of last year.